Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is operating system kernel. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to computer terminologies. Operating system, basically kernel, means that a kernel is a computer program that is the heart and core of an operating system. Since the operating system has control over the system, so the kernel also has control over everything in the system. Basically, friend, whenever we talk about kernel, operating system kernel is operating system is a program which loads first time whenever we on the computer system. Okay, so first program which loads into the system is a operating system. Operating system is the program which is a bridge between the user and the hardware, and the kernel is basically heart of the operating system. Okay, it is the most important part of the operating system. When our system starts, the kernel is the first program that is loaded after the bootloader, because the kernel has to handle the rest of the things of the system for the operating system. If you just see this diagram, friend, applications mean users, basically users who are using the application. They hear the kernel is basically the heart of the operating system, and kernel is talking with CPU, memory and devices. So whatever the communication needs to done with the system is basically done through the kernel. And kernel, what is the kernel is the main heart of the operating system. So you can see from here, applications are basically communicating with the kernel, and kernel is then talking with the CPU, memory and devices. So the kernel is responsible for low level tasks such as disk management, memory management, task management. It provides an interface between the user and the hardware component of the system. The main functions of kernel. First function, access computer resources. A kernel can access various computer resources like CPU, input output devices and other resources. It also acts as a bridge between the user and the resource of the system. Then resource management. It is the duty of a kernel to share the resources between various processes, such as a way that there is uniform access to the resources by every process. Memory management. Every process needs some memory space, so memory must be allocated and deallocated for its execution. All these memory management is done by a kernel. Device management. The peripheral devices connected in the system are used by the processes, so the allocation of these devices is managed by the kernel actually. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.